Hello everyone, welcome to another simple tutorial in Windows 11 here. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to disable or enable the Wi-Fi or the Ethernet network adapter in your Windows 11 PC or laptop here. So to turn on the Wi-Fi or the Ethernet, you just need to search for settings here. Search for settings, open the settings menu here. Then if you in the left here, as you can see, there's an option called network and internet here. Choose the network and internet. And here, as you can see, there's Wi-Fi and Ethernet here. So if you're using Ethernet here, you will have a option of enable and disable option here. So you can click on enable or disable here. And also, as you can see, there's a Wi-Fi option here. You can turn it on like this. And you can also turn it off like this. And there's another way to turn on the Wi-Fi here. If you go to the right corner here, as you can see, there's a globe icon here. Click on it. And as you can see, there's the Wi-Fi option. So just click on that and the Wi-Fi is turned on here, as you can see. And you can choose the Wi-Fi, what kind of Wi-Fi connection that you want to connect here. So that's it guys. This is how you turn off, disable, enable the Ethernet or the Wi-Fi here in Windows 11. So if you found this video helpful, please subscribe to this channel and thank you for watching.